I don't really feel anything happening. I made a mess. What is up, you guys? It's Phoebe with In the Know. I recently came across this TikTok that shows an easy and simple recipe for a DIY lip scrub that also doubles as a plumper. I'm so excited to try this. I love to experiment with natural ways to make your lips look a little bit more full, and my lips are constantly dry, so kill two birds in one stone. You only need a handful of items, and they happen to all be baking items. You need 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of honey, and 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. So the process is really easy. You're just gonna dump everything in a bowl and mix it up. And now this TikToker showed putting it in like a little lip balm thing. I don't have that, so I got a little creative and I noticed my cocktail shaker, the lid at the top is similar to a lip balm holder. So I'm borrowing it for now. It's actually perfect. I'm like really proud of myself for thinking of this. I'm curious if it's gonna actually plump my lips. I know it'll definitely exfoliate and moisturize, but I don't know what would make it plump. I guess like the cinnamon and nutmeg, like the spices might we will see. So these are my lips right now with nothing on them. This is my scrub. The TikToker used her finger, but I'm very certain that I would make a massive mess if I did that, so I'm gonna use a little Q-tip. If you have an extra lip gloss applicator, that could work too. Totally tastes like fall vibes. I don't really feel anything happening. Maybe I'll let it sit for like a few minutes. Oh, I made a mess. Not sure if they look more full. Yeah, I don't know if the plump thing worked for me. I definitely feel like a sensation in my lips, but I don't think that it made them more plump. If anything, my lips definitely feel more moisturized from the coconut oil, and it even tinted it a little bit, and I'm kind of into it. Either way, I love the exfoliant and I definitely feel like I treated myself today, so you should too. Super easy recipe for a lip scrub. I hope you give it a try and I'll see you guys next time.